Hello everyone, this is Shivam, and today we are going to discuss on a topic which is kind of biological, but it has a major impact in our day-to-day lives. The topic will be very much related to how we work, how we form our habits, and how we can define those habits so we can achieve our maximum productivity. You see, sometimes we think that we are having exams in next 2 3 days, and we rigorously playing games and doing chatting and Instagram and all that stuff. So internally, what we are thinking that we know that this is not correct, this is wrong, but we are tends to play continuously the game. So the topic which is be discussing today will be something related to that why we are doing all the stuff that we not need to done, and why we are not like kind of why we do procrastination and all that. So imagine like this is our brain, and let me this is a part of brain which connects it to your neck. So this is a part of a brain which connect to the neck to the brain, and which further goes to the spinal cord. And in this area, this intersection part, there is a special organ which determines all the motivation and all the procrastination we do in our day-to-day lives. So the thing is, so what happened is, um, like when somebody is addictive to something, this part of the brain gets activated. Like um, like think of a person who is really addicted to playing games or playing PUBG. So when he urges to play PUBG, is this this part of the brain get activated and makes and impel or urge him to play that game. And when he started the game and started playing PUBG, whatever it is, so the brain develops a hormone called dopamine. The hormone gets created and created by this organ. Dopamine is created by this organ. This is called amygdala. This part is called amygdala. So this organ creates dopamine in very large amount, and in amount which gets flooded inside your brain, and you get a dopamine shot. So what happens is, in first shot, in second shot, you are not going to affect that much, but when the things started going, like when you started getting addictive to something, so in just a second guys. So my room is near the railway track, so there's some disturbance over here. So yeah, so when the addiction goes more in the person, so this part of brain starts creating dopamine in higher and higher level, and when the addictive person gets the thing by which he is addicted to, he gets a dopamine shot. So how we can make our body out of this addictiveness is by doing dopamine detox. So everybody knows the meaning of detox is detoxifying something from some harmless disease or harmful substance. So how to do so? We are addicted, we can get dopamine shot is very independent thing. Like some people may be able to get a dopamine shot from eye contact also. Some people may not get dopamine shot even after getting one or two drinks or whatever it is, like. And some people have that intensity to go beyond 4 or 5 drinks or 4 or 5 whatever it is, bags or all that. So it is very independent and dependent on the individual itself. So what we can do is to to leave a habit of procrastination and all that, we can do dopamine detox. And how to start doing dopamine detox is get do a fast of all the activities by which you think you get instant happiness or instant relief. For example, mm, if you are very conscious of going to stage, no, like if you are having exams and you are much pressurizing yourself, and you want to do something so that the pressure is get relieved somewhat. So what we people do is we start playing games, we start doing Instagram and Facebook, and after we came to realize is that it has passed around 2 hours or 3 hours of continuously Facebooking and Instagramming. So all the thing by which we get a dopamine shot, we should be stay away from it for at least 2 months. And after 2 months, you will be full of energy, less procrastination, and you have the willpower to do more and achieve more. So I think you guys have got an idea of dopamine detox and what actually dopamine is and how it affects our day-to-day lives. I think this is not a kind of a formal video, and I'm not a fond of making formal videos, so it's kind of a rude for you people, but I'm not that video editing kind of a guy. So thank you all for listening, and kindly subscribe, like, and do whatever you want to do if you seriously like this video. Thank you guys. Bye bye.